class, we're going to discuss about how to use if statements in Python coding. So first, let's create a new file. If statement.py. And I already copied paste some of the if statements listed in here. For example, if we have a gross margin or margin of like 18%, we can write a if statement based on the criteria we listed here. We can ask the program to print what categories of those operating margins belong to. So if it's 18%, I expect it to be within the moderate margin, but it's not, it's above the low margin and below the strong margin. So let's run the program and see the result. See, the category is moderate margin. And one thing I want to call for your attention is the first if statement is using if, and then the following statements you can use elif. This is short for else if. So this is basically, and then at the end you can write a catch-all portion of the if statement, which is simply else. And this is how if statement works in Python. It's not hard, right?